Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. Today I am with another oud oil that is from Ensar Oud that has been sold out. Sri Lankan Oud Oils, they are very rare nowadays. If you get your hands on a good one, I think you should get a one bottle from any website or anywhere you see it. So this is actually a very you can say mid-range a bit costly oud oil, that is Suriranka Senkoh, or also known as Suriranka version 2. So this is the bottle. I had like 0.4 grams of this oud oil, which is from Sri Lanka, Suriranka Senkoh. So this was the first version, and the second version was Suriranka 2.0. They were almost the same. If you have that, you might be enjoying it. Now Sri Lankan Oud Oils, how they actually smell and what is their scent profile, I'm going to share with you in this video. So let's start sniffing it. Mellow sweetness, sweetness with some breeze that is coming from the beaches of Sri Lanka. So if you want an oud that is fresh, sweet, has a breezy, cool feel to it, then you have to look for Sri Lankan Oud Oils. Sri Lankan Oud Oils are super sweet, just like you have burned sugar. Rounded, it is not spiky, rounded, but sugary content, or I would say sweetness of a sugar is too high. So this is Suriranka Senkoh. I'm not going to apply it on my skin right now. I'm just giving you the general profile for what I have experienced. Really sweet. I think if you live in summer or areas that are very humid or very hot, this is going to help you a lot. This is a good summer, I would say summer oud oil. So if you are looking for summer oud oils, if you ever want to try to buy Sri Lankan oud oil or Indonesian oud oil, they are really green, herbal, and a bit breezy. So they have some people might say that it has some cola effect. So yes, it is like a very sweet cola drink with some breeze and coming from the beaches, cool breeze, and really hyper sweet, just like you have burned the sugar with the the food burner. We have the small burner where we burn the sugar at the top of the cake. So it is something like that. So that is my humble review and opinion on Sri Lankan Oud Oils, and particularly this Suriranka Senkoh. I'm not sure why it is still not trying to focus it. Yes, over here. Okay, so this is Suriranka Senkoh. You can see the color is very golden, light golden kind of color. And that is all. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. I will meet you in another video with another scent. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Take care.